When you're leading your business, you're running your cleaning company, there's a few things that I think are absolutely key in maintaining a healthy cleaning company. Think of it like your body. If you want to stay healthy and you want to be here for as long as possible, you're going to have to move it. It's the first thing, do some exercise, and you're going to have to eat fairly well and try to avoid things you know are bad for you, all of that standard stuff. And when it comes to running your cleaning company, I want you to think of it in the same way, because there are absolutely things that you should be avoiding, and there are absolutely things that you should be doing to maintain the health of the cleaning company. A couple of things are going to be tracking numbers and data. I mean cash flow forecasting, and I mean tracking KPIs. Every single area of your business, whether it's operations, finances, marketing, sales, recruitment, all of those things, and probably a few other areas too, but all of those things specifically, there's 2 or 3 points of data which really tell you how well that area of the business is performing. If we're not tracking that information, we have no idea. If you're not constantly analyzing where are you spending your time and freeing up your time and outsourcing, delegating, automating things, you're going to be the bottleneck. So that's going to slow down the growth of the business. It's going to cause it to be unhealthy. Think of it like blocking an artery, right? Some point it's going to have a heart attack. We don't want to be in that position. We don't want you to be blocking the artery in the heart of your cleaning company. So start to pass those things across.